morning, good evening. So good so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So on today's video, we are going to learn about Aquarius rising sign. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Aquarius rising is a unique individual first and first and foremost, and they won't let you forget it. Many will seek them out because they come across as individuals, intellectuals that are approachable. In fact, Aquarius rising is very cautious and frequently very well educated. They may show anything that advance they may show interest in anything that advances the human race. They are humanitarian, idealistic, tolerant, and practical and impractical for the most part. Aquarius rising thinks they have seen everything, so it is difficult to shock them actually. They like to shock those around them. They really enjoy getting a response from others. They may have a quite irrelevant sense of humor that others find endearing. If a bit Aquarius rising is a likable person and very friendly to everyone they meet, they get along with people from all walks of life, easily accepting the, easily accepting the, easily accepting them all as equals. They are unique in that they can pull off detached and aloof, while also appearing kind and caring. It is a study in contradiction. Aquarius rising may feel special or different, and they have felt that way their lives sometimes. They feel like they are excluded from everyone, also like they are outside the window looking in. They have the ability to observe, deduce what needs to be done. They are also very good at puzzling out how to get things to work. This talent also works with groups of people. The ability serves them well if they work as a manager or in some manners that facilities people working together. Aquarius rising expresses their individuality clearly, but not in a way that makes them stand out oddly. For example, they may dress well, they may dress well with an accessory that makes them stand out just enough to make them interesting. While they are very open to new ideas, they can also be extremely very stubborn. They can be decidedly inflexible and at times may try to force others to agree with others. They may not see the small details, only the big picture, which may cause them to overlook the needs of those closest to them. They are independent and unaffected by status, wealth, or power. When they take when they take interest in someone, it is for their own sake, not any outside influence. They easily attract friends and acquaintances. Comes like moth, moth. Comes like comes comes like moth comes like moth to a flame. Aquarius rising loves to play devil's advocate and take part in good arguments. They like personal freedom though, so this can be a potential issue when they marry. Their restless nature can push them to seek more stimulating environment. If the one they are in isn't meeting their needs mentally or physically, Aquarius rising can be unpredictable and may behave in a contradictory fashion. Aquarius rising is extremely interested in the future and the past, but they get lost when it comes to the present. They may appear to be a bit out of step with the contemporaries. They are likely to be interested in music design, science, or sociology. They may have physical issue with their circulation or arthritis. So I hope you people like this video. Stay safe, wear a mask, and I'll see you people in another video. Chalo.